Namaste, I'm Dr. Vaishnavi. I'm a consultant in pediatrics and infectious diseases at Rainbow Children's Hospital in Guindy. We have been hearing about the human metapneumovirus or HMPV in the recent times. There have been many cases in China and a few have been noted in India as well. This is not a new virus. We have been seeing a few cases every winter. How does this virus spread? So it spreads through droplets. That is, if somebody coughs or sneezes, and if somebody walks by or if they are very close to that person who is coughing, then they can get the infection. The other method is when somebody coughs onto an object or coughs and the hand touches another object and another person touches that, then it can also spread. The symptoms are that of many viral infections such as cough, running nose, fever, body pain, tiredness or sore throat. In few children, it may become a little more severe, causing severe pneumonia or drop in oxygenation or shortness of breath. This usually happens in children who are younger than 1 year old, or in elderly population, or those with less immunity, or those who have asthma or any other chronic respiratory condition. The treatment is usually fluids and paracetamol and symptomatic medicines including those for cough and cold, and if a child requires oxygen, then we will give that. The test can be done through a nose or a throat swab similar to that of COVID virus. How to prevent this? So the main thing is to follow cough etiquette. That is, if you feel like coughing or sneezing, then please use a tissue or a handkerchief. In case you do not have those, cough into your elbow so that it is not transmitted to another person. Even coughing into the hands, which many people do, if you touch another object, like I said in the beginning, it can still transmit to other people when they touch the same object, including tables or stair rails, elevator buttons, etc. Another thing is to wear a mask if you are unwell, especially something like a simple surgical mask. Children above the age of 2 years can wear a simple cloth mask even if they have cough or sneeze to prevent especially the grandparents from getting it, since it can be more severe in them. Hand wash is another way. So hand hygiene, washing your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds is definitely recommended, especially when going out, especially in crowded places. So these are the ways in which you can prevent and manage HMPV. This is not anything serious as of now, so nothing to worry. Stay happy and stay healthy. Thank you.